cookies, benchies, and bottles, it must be Fan Mail Friday. There you are. Welcome back. Yes, it's time for yet again another Fan Mail Friday. I've got lots of packages to open up, lots of letters to read, and it's all thanks to you. Again, sending anything in is never required, but if you want to, the address where you can send cool stuff to is in the description of every single video I make. Cool. I've got this box, this package, and this letter to go. Let's start with the box first. This box, now I pre-opened it because I wasn't thinking, and I thought I ordered something and I thought it was arriving for me, but this was a gift. So hold on, let's pop this open properly. Okay, so inside, it's got some good packaging. It's packaged nice. Oh, what is this? What is this? Let's see. It is a plastic bag. It is not full of cookies. Cookie! Oh, this is... Oh my goodness. Okay, this is from JRT 3D. Oh, this is... Oh, okay, these are PET bottle made filaments. I think you've seen CNC Kitchen feature this stuff. Oh, this is cool. So this is filament made from PET bottles.
I like it a lot.
What's in here? Printed with the Prusa Mark III S using a Coca-Cola bottle. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That right there is a mini Joel, and this is a bracelet printed from PET bottles converted using the PET bot. Okay, and this is, what do we have here? Joe's new mod of the Benchy boat, printed in PET and other random PLA. Oh, this is the print-a-block stuff from the 3D printing professor, Joe. This is his modification to the Benchy. You can print all sorts of various things on the Benchy boat and attach it to it. Okay, well that's cool. I like that. Dream it, print it, change the world. Joel, hope filament finds you all well. A few samples for your review. Thanks, Josh. Aw, it's kind of you. Thanks for all the kindness in the world. Here we go. And this, oh, this is information about the PET bot. So if you imagine soda bottles, plastic soda bottles, they're made from PET plastics. And you can always recycle those, or you can use something called the PET bot and convert those bottles into filaments. That's really cool. I'll have to try these sometime. I'm kind of really excited to try it out. But, wait, hold on. What's this? What's this? Reuse, reduce, recreate. I gotta keep that side up. This is a PET bot. I'm going to attempt to make my own filament from PET soda bottles. How cool is that? Yeah, this has been here a while. I'm just trying to find some time to open it up. Maybe I'll do it on a stream. But this is awesome.
Thank you.
I can't wait to try this out. This is really, really, really cool. Next up, we'll save the package for last. Here is a, ooh, to me, P.O. Box from The Real Sam Prentice from The Real Sam Prentice. I love that dude. I love that dude. Inside, we have Star Wars trading cards. These are featuring R2-D2 by Sam Prentice. That's really cool. And then Joel Making the Family from plus Team Nerd. Have a great holiday. Merry Christmas. Aw, look at that Christmas card. Yeah, it's been a while since I've opened a Fan Mail Friday, but look at that Christmas card. That's fantastic. Ah. Sam, thank you so much. Hey, I'm gonna see you soon, I bet, right? Last and certainly not least is this package from Kerry in Corona, California. Let's see what's inside. Inside, we have, oh, there's a card, okay. It smells Oh, it's cookies. It is. Oh, and it's more cookies. Look at this. Red and green paper. This must be from Christmas. This must be, yep, from Kerry and Aaron. Cosplay cooking show on Instagram. Wonderful people. Saw them at Disneyland recently. Sorry for the donation delay. If it's not in time for this year, then start early on the next year. Oh my goodness, look at this. 20, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, wait, I miscounted. 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 36 US dollars, some amazing cookies, and a Christmas card. Let's take a look. Home for the holidays. They made a lot of cookies this year, so I've been active in the community. Work has been tight, so we don't get to watch and comment together this year. Have a ginger cookie. My great-grandma Spirit made her 100-year-old cookie press. That's amazing. Merry Christmas. Kerry and Aaron of Cosplay Kitchen. Oh, I love you guys. Seriously. Thank you so much. I'm sorry it took so long, but cookies don't go bad, do they? Made with love, packed well. I love it. However, we do have business to tend to. You've sent in a donation. First things first. I'm going to save some of these cookies for the wife and kids because they do love cookies. But I do want to say thank you to everyone who was able to send something in. This is a lot of fun. Really glad to have this back on. And if, like I said at the beginning, if you want to send anything in at all, it's never required. But if you choose to do so, the address you can do that to is in the description of every video I make. Well, this is awesome. This is awesome. Welcome back. If you've made this far, you're awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more. Fight for a cause you believe in. 3D print all the things. And as always, high five.